Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can save your documents on Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, there are two ways how you can do this. You can either export your document or save it as an SVG file, for example, on your device or in one of the available file formats. So to do that, navigate to your document on Inkscape, and here to the right you will see these options: print as well as save. And below you will see also the export button. So in this case here, I'm going to save it as an SVG file. To do that, click into save, use the shortcut Ctrl+S or Command+S if you're using a Mac. After that, select the folder on your device where you'd like to save the document. And after that, give it a name here. Select the available file format. I will go with SVG. You can go with Inkscape SVG or plain SVG, compressed Inkscape SVG, or any of these. And after that, click into save, or you will see the button in your operating system's language to save it in the given folder on your device in SVG. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.